Guys, does it feel too risky for you when you trade crypto yourself? And tell, what do you usually look for? Only fast profits or more stable setups? In today's session, I will show you my approach in trading crypto. And then you can see how I make my decisions, and maybe then you can take something useful for your own trading. So let's start. Well, let's begin today's trading session, guys. Today I'm trading cryptocurrencies, and all the assets with the most optimal price behavior and payout percentages are right here in front of you. I'll be trading on the 1 minute time frame, and my first trade will be opened with $15. I already done analysis, the market analysis, and came to the conclusion that today we'll work with following strategy. So it includes a fractal with a period of 5, Bollinger Bands with a period of 13, and deviation of 2, and 2 RSI oscillators, the first with a period of 7 and the second with a period of 15. So the overbought and oversold areas remain unchanged, set at 70 and 30. And as we trade, you'll see exactly how to correctly use each indicator. And I will try to explain every trade in detail. Let's begin the analysis, start trading, and select the first asset to open the most optimal trade. Here, the first position can be opened for a buy. If the further price dynamic goes a bit lower, I'll open an additional trade. Since this time, I have given myself some room for error, so I always prefer to start my trading session this way. And guys, my main reference point here is first while a decent structural price level. We see there were previous reactions in movement, and also there was a touch of the lower Bollinger Band, and after that we usually expect a reaction. And we need to orient ourselves by the RSI with a period of 7 here. So we see a bounce from the oversold area. So in this case, I prefer to open a buy trade. And a sharp drop in movement happened, so I immediately catch that impulse and opening a second trade right away. So that's exactly why I decided to open the first position with half of my starting balance. The overall entry logic remains exactly the same, and I believe I caught a good level, so let's watch how the second position closes. And guys, the second trade closes in profit without any issues, and in fact the first trade should also have closed in profit, but because of a strong impulse, unfortunately it was impossible to lock profit immediately, and the next position will open with a maximum balance amount. So let's continue and select the next asset. Well guys, don't forget to join my Telegram group, and also don't miss the chance to get deeper knowledge in trading and learn together with others. And you know just that I regularly share articles on various trading topics, updates from the trading world, and a bit of my lifestyle too, so I'm sure that you won't get bored there. And you know, if you want to become a part of my team, I get an exclusive Traders Club where every trader receives personal trading advice and 24/7 support. So plus, there is daily trading sessions with me and my team. So what should you do? To apply, just send me a private message with Rachel Club Plus, and either I or my manager will get back to you. So guys, now let's get back to trading. And I think it would be a better decision to open trade here for a buy in the direction of the actual trend movement. Overall, this is a fairly simple entry. Earlier, during the upward movement, there was a pullback, followed by a touch of the lower Bollinger Band and a fractal formed, and then we again see upward momentum. So we need to catch a small pullback, for example, like this one, and the further movement, I assume, should go upward. So I'm opening a buy trade, so let's see the result. And the trade closes in profit, so perfect. The next position also opened with the maximum balance amount. So let's continue and choose the next asset. And here I think the trade will be opened for a buy again. The entry point showed up quickly, and it was a good pullback. and I'll take advantage of this one. So here I'll rely exclusively on the RSI with a period of 15, and as long as it has not crossed into the overbought area yet, in my opinion, so the overall movement should keep pushing upward, and the entry level is relatively good, although it could have been slightly better. But in any case, here the movement should continue upward, and about 15 seconds remain until the trade closes. And as you can see, it's important to rely only on one oscillator here, because we notice those reactions in price and occurs just when its moving line reaches the overbought or oversold area. So we don't need to rely on the second oscillator here. And in this case, on this pullback, I'm opening a buy trade. And the trade closes in profit, and just amazing. So I'll adjust the balance amount again to the maximum, and let's pick the next entry point. And here I'll open a sell trade. In this case, I'll rely more on the RSI with a period of 15, because that is exactly the one that matters here, and we can see that it has not crossed into the oversold area yet. It's just about to do so, and in general, based on the situation, this serves as the main reference point, so watching the result. And the trade closes in profit. Perfect. So to finish, guys, I'll open one more trade for $32. And even if this position closes in a loss, the profit of $120 for today's trading session is more than enough for me. So let's continue the analysis and select the final cryptocurrency. And the entry point appeared quickly again, and overall, there is a good chance for the upward breakout. Of course, the entry point wasn't perfect. Ideally, I should have opened at the exact touch on the impulse of the previous candle, but in general, so let's see how it goes. And we had an upside of global structural low, and the oscillator moving average show a reversal in dynamics. And in general, we have a really good response level here. So let's watch the results and 15 seconds until closing. And the trade closes in profit, guys. Amazing. So it's even better, even more profit for today's trading session, right? So excellent results. And we're fixing the result and move to the drawable tab. So today's profit total is $180. Amazing. And the withdrawal operation is successfully completed. Yes. So that was today's crypto trading session. And not every entry is perfect, but the logic behind each one makes the difference. So guys, share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to see more of my trades, make sure to join my Telegram. See you there. And guys, if you have any questions and you found some unclear moments during the watching this one, so go below this one video and you will find all the necessary links exactly to my Telegram and also the TikTok, where I post different videos, fun and just about my lifestyle too. So go there, check it out, and see you there.